Are you ready for a brand new way to experience the city of Sydney? With the Sydney Vivid 2024 mind-blowing AI projection, you can travel through the city like never before. You can see every corner and detail that you can't with your own eyes. It's like being there, but it's better. The AI technology uses your voice, city, and make your experience more personalized. Don't miss out on this amazing experience. Get your tickets now and travel through the galaxy with us. And movements to guide you around the...
Hey there, fellow enthusiasts of capturing the beauty of human life today. We're diving into the vibrant world of Sydney Vivid Show, a celebration of humanity through art and technology. Sydney Vivid Show is a mesmerizing event that illuminates the city with breathtaking displays of digital art and music. It's an opportunity to showcase the incredible potential of human creativity and innovation. So join us as we explore this remarkable event, celebrating the endless possibilities that humanity has to offer. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring content.
Welcome to the future.